Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to type Lambda symbol in MS Word document. Pretty simple and easy. First you need to hit the backslash and type LAMBDA and hit enter. And you can see that Lambda symbol is inserted. The second method is that you need to press the Alt key, and on the numeric side keypad you need to press 955 and release the Alt key. And the third method, if you are using Lambda symbol frequently, then you need to copy and then go to the file, go to the options and click on the proofing, and here you can autocorrect option, go to that, and here you can assign any key. For example, if you backslash, whenever click OK and OK and OK. So whenever you type backslash, the word will be replaced with Lambda key. In the fourth method, go to the insert, click on the symbol, go to the more symbols, and in the font section you need to click the normal text, and the in subset section select Greek and Coptic, and here you will see that Lambda symbol. Just click insert and close. In this way you can easily type or insert Lambda symbol in Word document. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.